What am I going to teach them how to lie? They're going to ask them about daddy. And they just have to say, yeah, daddy's gay, so what? What's the big deal? Oh my God, it felt amazing. I wish I could come out again. It just felt great.
He is dating Puerto Rican financier Carlos Gonzalez.
My boyfriend was very sexy, very smart, very compassionate, but the most important thing, he loves my children. It's very beautiful. Super cool. I'm very happy.
Do you ever see like marriage or something in your future?
It's not something that we're talking about at the moment, but I want that option, man. I pay my taxes. How come people can have that option and not me? Who wants to feel like a second-class citizen? That's why I say about equality. It's not about, I don't want more rights than you. I want the same.